I love rainy days. So do some of my cats. When it's pouring outside, we just love watching, I guess. Especially to the curious ones. They're not scared at all. Not him. Not him for sure. He's used to the rain. Oh, you know something's going on? Actually, most of my cats pretty much enjoy the rain, except for one guy. So when it rains really hard, Professor Cortex first gets really curious until the lightning strikes. Then he freaks out. My other cats goes to comfort him, and it just makes sure that he's not feeling lonely or scared. Strawberry is such a good big sister. Here comes Gaga, checking up on him. And Buddy, his favorite big brother, sets an example for him. So you can see he's a lot more at ease in his presence. You can just tell by his body language. He really looks up to Burrito. That's why I have a bunch of cats at home, because they're always there for each other. I don't know if it's a coincidence, but all my cats look out for one another.